Lord is never unfaithful. Forever He's my only guide. He knows the thoughts inside my heart. I show Him all my deepest secrets. I show Him all my deepest secrets. My parents do not understand, nor friends or family me. They try their best to stand with me, but none can carry what I bear. But none can carry what I bear. ወረታያው ከውጌታዬ ዘላለም ሚስጥረኛዬ የልቤን አጫውተዋለሁ ገበናዬን አሳየዋለሁ ገበናዬን አሳየ